Welcome to Beyond Buzz. The universe is vast and mostly silent. For centuries, we've listened for any sign that we are not alone. But in 2025, that silence was shattered, not by sound, but by a sight. Something so unexpected, it electrified the astronomical community. 9 mysterious objects trailed an interstellar visitor, moving in ways that defied explanation. The cosmos had broken its silence with a profound mystery, and we were listening. To understand the shock, you must first understand our visitor, 3I by Atlas. The I stands for interstellar. This object was born in another solar system, ejected billions of years ago. It's only the third confirmed interstellar object, a rare messenger from a world we'll never see. 3 Atlas is what we think is an interstellar comet about 10 kilometers across, much larger than Oumuamua or Borisov. Unlike typical comets, it lacks a bright tail. Its surface is dark, possibly carbon-rich, making it nearly invisible. It's a ghost in the night, moving over 100,000 miles per hour relative to our sun. First spotted in early 2025 by Hawaii's Atlas system, it appeared as a faint dot with a path all wrong for a solar system object. Its trajectory was a hyperbola, a one-way ticket through our solar system, never to return. For astronomers, 3I Atlas was already monumental. Each interstellar object is a time capsule, carrying the chemical fingerprints of its home system. By studying it, we hope to learn about the building blocks of planets across the galaxy. Was our solar system common or rare? 3I Atlas promised answers, but the object itself was just the opening act. We had no idea a much bigger cosmic drama was about to unfold. The real story was not the visitor, but what followed it. The universe had sent us a puzzle, and we were only beginning to see its shape. The discovery would force us to rethink everything we knew about interstellar travel. 3I Atlas was not alone, and neither perhaps were we. The story of the 9 objects began with a faint flicker. On October 18, 2025, astronomers at the European Southern Observatory used adaptive optics to get a clear look at 3I Atlas. Instead, they found 9 incredibly faint points of light trailing behind it, arranged in a non-random formation. At first they assumed these were background stars or galaxies, but a young astronomer noticed something odd. These points had moved, matching 3I Atlas's path exactly. Excitement filled the control room. This was no artifact or error. The team contacted NASA, which quickly redirected the Hubble and Roman space telescopes to the same patch of sky. Within hours, confirmation arrived. 9 distinct objects, dark and cold, trailing 3I Atlas like a silent fleet. They were only visible by faintly reflecting sunlight, each about the size of a city block. They held a loose arrowhead formation as they journeyed through our solar system. The discovery was now fact, not speculation. Nothing like this had ever been seen before. The world's most powerful telescopes were now focused on this cosmic anomaly. The 9 shadows were real, and they were moving with purpose. The implications were staggering. Science had no precedent for this. The universe had delivered a mystery beyond imagination. The confirmation from the Roman Space Telescope sent NASA into high alert. This was not a discovery for a routine press release. The implications were too profound. A select group of top scientists and administrators were briefed in secret. The priority: gather more data, fast. 3I Atlas and its companions would soon be out of view. Emergency directives cleared telescope schedules worldwide. The James Webb, Hubble, and ground-based observatories all focused on the anomaly. A special task force, codenamed Pathfinder, coordinated the global effort. Their mission answered 3 questions. What are these objects? Where did they come from? Why are they flying in formation? Every theory, from the mundane to the extraordinary, was considered. The atmosphere was electric, excitement mixed with immense responsibility. How do you tell the world something has entered our solar system that defies all known explanations? The decision: verify, re-verify, and only then announce. Humanity stood on the brink of a new cosmic age, unaware of what was unfolding. The world was about to change, and the countdown had begun. How did scientists know these 9 objects were truly traveling with 3I Atlas? The answer: a precise celestial dance. By tracking their positions over time, astronomers saw the 9 objects matched 3I Atlas's motion exactly, a phenomenon called common proper motion. Like a flock of birds moving together, the group traveled as one against the background of stars. The odds of 10 unrelated interstellar objects sharing the same trajectory are astronomically small. Parallax measurements confirm the Obin Cholstald 10 were at the same distance from Earth, not background stars or galaxies. Their velocities matched, all were on hyperbolic escape paths, too fast to be bound by the sun's gravity. They were true interstellar visitors. The evidence was overwhelming: common motion, identical distance, shared velocity. These 10 objects were a system, traveling together from another star across unimaginable distances. The unthinkable was now confirmed. Science had accepted a new reality. The universe had delivered a message in the form of a cosmic convoy. The implications would ripple through every field of study. The mystery was no longer if, but how and why. The search for answers had only just begun. Humanity was witnessing history. This isn't our first interstellar encounter. In 2017, Oumuamua arrived, strange, cigar-shaped, and accelerating mysteriously. Some speculated it was an alien artifact. Then came Borisov in 2019, a more familiar comet, suggesting interstellar visitors could be ordinary. With 2 data points, one weird, one normal, we thought we understood the range of possibilities. The discovery of 3I Atlas and its 9 companions shattered that notion. This is not just another data point. It's a new category of cosmic phenomenon. We're not looking at a single object but a structured, multi-object system. The complexity is staggering. How could 9 smaller objects remain bound to a larger one over millions of years and across interstellar space? Oumuamua's mystery now seems quaint by comparison. The 3I Atlas system forces us to ask, not what is it, but what are they, and why are they together? The physics required to keep such a system intact is mind-boggling. This is no longer a riddle, but an epic saga. Our understanding of interstellar objects has been upended. The universe is more complex than we imagined. Each discovery raises new questions. The search for answers is more urgent than ever. We have entered a new era of cosmic mystery. Theories abound, some natural, some bold. One suggests 3I Atlas was shattered by a cosmic catastrophe, its companions the largest surviving fragments. Another posits tidal disruption, a larger object torn apart by gravity, the pieces now traveling together. But the arrowhead formation is puzzling, statistically unlikely from random breakup. Some ask, could the formation be artificial, probes, drones, or support craft? There's no evidence for this, but science demands open minds. For now, we have only questions, and a universe of possibilities. This discovery changes everything. If natural, it reveals unknown processes shaping the galaxy. New fields of astrophysics await. If artificial, it's the first evidence we are not alone. Even silent probes would prove another intelligence exists, or existed. The silence of the cosmos is an illusion. Regardless of the answer, this is a call to action. Better telescopes, faster responses, new technology. 3I Atlas and its companions will soon vanish into the dark, but humanity is forever changed. The universe is stranger and more wonderful than we imagined. Our quest for answers has just begun. The stars are calling. And now, we know to listen.